make ready.
About 2 hours. But now it sits nice in your hand. It's got a bit of back strap.
Behind the barrel, hands on the barrel.
It still flips, but it doesn't.
Stand by!
Yeah.
Stand by! Guns clear, range is clear.
No, not yet. Still chomping at the bit for it, right? Yeah, we're just trying to get first.
You ready? Stand by!
I don't know, they said that it's talked about. Oh yeah, you go out there most nights of the week in that parking lot. Every ball diamond over the people all day long. They're signed up. I was surprised.
You got greedy.
Friday night you were out there, but what's it like?
Forward hammer down. Gun clear, range is clear. Eyes and ears, range is going hot.
Just between Maryhill and right outside.
You ready?
Little,
Stand by!
Maryhill. No, not Maryhill. Bloomingdale. No, Darren's a member there. Yeah. First couple of years,
Let's start doing a Vlad.
Just gonna use one mag on all this.
Got more over here,
Okay.
man.
Whatever.
Okay,
But they gotta be on the table.
They gotta
You
be
can't
on the
drop.
table.
Gotta be on the table.
You think that one's yours? What am I worried about? Look at all the mags I've got to throw.
Yeah, see, there you go.
Shooter ready?
The
reason why I kept my mag
Stand
on.
by!
Uh-huh. Yeah, uh-huh. There we go. There we are.
All right.